Mtwapa Driving School with Liz, Part 1.
Hello, my dears in Kenya, in Mombasa and Mtwapa. Driving school, international driving school here in Mombasa and Mtwapa. And here is Liz. Liz has founded us via internet because we are international. We are not always at place, but she has a problem. She has to convert her Kenyan driving license soon in a German driving license.
Yes.
Because Liz is married in Germany. Yes, and behind you can see our driving school. And if you have any request, follow. And if you have any
If you have any question,
and if you have any question, feel free to contact us. Contact us. Oh, the German speaking English, okay? So, but I can assure you, I can better drive and teach than talking English sometimes. But it's okay. So, and if you have any question, feel free to contact us. And we will find soon in the next video. In the next video, I will show you how Liz will settle down in Germany, how she will visit us in our German motoring school. And in the next video, I will show how you can just learn here in Mombasa, in Kenya, your online quiz question bank, because you have to know in Germany we have 1,000 quiz questions for the test. And you here in Mombasa and Kenya, only 40, also 40. And so you can see a huge effort for you to get past your driving test here in driving test in Germany. Okay, also, okay. So I'm glad to see you soon. I'm glad to see you soon in our next video in Frankfurt. And if the video was okay for you, make a like. And thank you. And if you want always be informed, subscribe this channel. Thank you. Asante sana.
subscribe and share.
Okay. Klar. Ciao, ciao.